Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today we are going to see the review of Seenda wireless keyboard and mouse. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with this product and helping you decide whether it's the right fit for you. Let's get started. You can see the mouse. Mouse comes with the on-off switch and a USB receiver. This USB receiver you can connect it to your computer or laptop. Once you've plugged in, turn on the keyboard and mouse. They will automatically get connected to the USB receiver. You will also receive this keyboard cover, which will help you to keep your keyboard dust free. The keyboard has a standard layout with a low profile piece that is soft to the touch and provide a satisfying typing experience. The keyboard has set of functionalities which are not present in the standard keyboard. You have on-off switch which helps to reserve power when not in use. The keys are quiet, making it great for use in quiet environments. The keyboard also has a number pad which is convenient for those who work with numbers frequently. The wireless range is also impressive. I was able to use the keyboard from about 26 feet away. It comes with a micro USB cable which can be used for charging both keyboard and the mouse. When it is recharging, you can see the light glowing out there. So similarly, when you are recharging the mouse also, you can see the light glowing out there. So it shows that this is getting charged. This wireless mouse is great. It has a comfortable and ergonomic design, making it easy to hold for extended periods of time. The mouse is slim, compact, and silent. Talking about the battery life, it is quite impressive. The keyboard and mouse use 280 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which lasts up to 6 months if you use 2 hours a day. Overall, I would highly recommend this wireless keyboard and mouse to anyone in need of a reliable and affordable option. The keyboard and mouse are easy to set up, comfortable to use, and have an impressive wireless range. I hope you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching.